Morning team, it's Thursday, October 26th. A bit of tricky day because we got ECB monetary policy. Everybody say that they're gonna keep the same. So even if they keep the same interest rates, I think they're gonna do shenanigans on the chart. Now, I don't know exactly if they do a 14.15 or 14.30. I have no idea, but I would recommend for not so experienced trader to stay away from charts from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. You know, like just wait. I don't know, observe, study, take notes. London Open, it's quiet, really quiet. If you manage to get some clean play for London Open, I think you should go for it and then call the day probably. I'm not super willing to trade today. I took yesterday my win. I don't have any rush. I could easily go with the trade of yesterday and close the week. But if we see something that is too nice to not be played, maybe. I wanted to see something. Everything is going down so fast, so hard. Look at this. Anyway, yes, let's go to charts. So, daily. Technically, it's still up, but you know, I'm a big fan of inside candle, and for me, this one is like a bullish of the block. Because if you want to see in some other, like, I don't know, there must be some. I don't know. Anyway, for me, this one is like a bullish of the block. And I know it's technically not because it's just an inside candle, but this is the way I consider them. This is the block that make the new high, and looks to me that it gave up, you know. Even if we haven't closed completely down below yet, it gave up. So I start to feel that daily is also pointing down now. Weekly, of course, look at this. But daily now too, and who knows. This can be like a lovely fair value gap on daily. Anyway, let's go to our charts. Same thing. I said yesterday all these are inside candles, and they all look like they're the block. And we got here, spent some time. It was not an easy dump. You see, we spent like 1, 2, 3 candles, like I don't know, 24 hours, something like this, and finally broke it. Now we are at another untested support. So if you ask me, I'm not willing to short here anymore. Even though there is nothing bullish yet, I'm not shorting into untested support, you know. For me to short this one, I need to see this. We go down, start to close below these lows, you know, these lows. Then maybe go up, you know, go into the fair value gap, something like this, then a raid, and then we keep going down. This is what I need. I need this support to fail. If this one fails, then I'm gonna look for shorts. Or else in here, right now, my trading plan forbid me to look for shorts, and I'm gonna follow my trading plan. Yeah, same thing on H1. Everything is pointing down. Make no mistakes. This is bearish, you know. We break in every single swing low that we encounter. Well, this is not on some faded days, you know, like 1, 2, 3. We are going down. There is nothing bullish yet. But I cannot blend this short into untested support myself. If your plan allow you, you are lucky. You are good. So let's see. Right now we are kind of raiding Asia low. I mean. Yeah, there is liquidity below this. I know, I'm not lying. This is liquidity here. Actually, a nice liquidity. But let's go through time frame. I see liquidity. I see reason to go above too, you know, because this is untested. Kind of like if you look on low time frame, it's kind of a. I don't know. We spent time here. Took like 20 hours, almost a day, to make new high. So I think this one should offer some sort of bounce. I'm not saying like new highs, we're going higher, but some reaction, a bullish reaction, in my opinion. But anyway, I see reasons to go higher too, you know, like, I mean, I don't know, Euro cannot let people make money. The ones that they shorted 8 p.m. yesterday. Usually Euro punish these people, you know. Or else everybody's smart and everybody gonna say like I make a lot of money. So who knows, maybe during the ECB news, even if it's not going to change anything, they do something like this, you know. I can totally see that. And purge all these people. So as I said, I see reason to go higher, but I'm not going to long anything until at least M15, tell me so. This is an M15 rate at 50 BMS. If, big if we BMS here, maybe we can try to look for some scalp long, you know? We pull back, a raid, something like this, and we go higher. Where? Here maybe? Anyway, I can see something like that. Yes, I'm as I said, I'm not going to trade anything right now. I will post more charts later, but yeah, this will be enough hourly sponsorship for me to look for longs if M15 confirm me that they want to shift bullish, or else I'm not touching this, I'm not shorting, and I'm gonna wait for them to break support and maybe look for shorts again. So my plan is pretty clear, and that's enough for me for today. I'll speak to you tomorrow, and maybe charts in the Telegram group. Bye.